Hi folks, Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV here. And today we are camping up in the beautiful White Mountains, about 9,500 foot elevation. If you look around me, you notice we're in a big open meadow. There's ponderosa pine trees as far as the eye can see. All types of wildlife running through here. Wild horses, elk. You can hear the wolves howling at night. It's absolutely gorgeous. One thing you don't see around here is other people. And the reason you don't see other people, and I'll show you, is the road you have to take to get up here. And if you have a normal travel trailer, chances are you're probably not going to risk going up that road. But I'm going to show you what the road looks like and why the Jayco Jay Flight BAJA is a really good idea if you're like me and you want to get away from people and just enjoy nature without anyone around. We're going to go and take a look down this fire road. And yeah, so come on, let's go take a look. So as you can see on this road, there's some pretty good dips. Almost enough to jump them with a mountain bike. Fun if you're on a mountain bike, probably not a lot of fun if you're on a low clearance travel trailer. But this is the kind of stuff, if you want to get away from people and get to a nice open meadow, this is the kind of stuff you're going to go over. So really, at the end of the day, high ground clearance, good off-road tires, and just taking it slow. You come up here and yeah, you're not with the crowd. Again, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Thanks for watching.